Orc
Wait,
command.
they're orcs?
Sci-fi orcs?
Apparently.
Ticket control won't get us.
We're on a moving platform and we're under attack. By orcs.
You're going to have to defend me right now.
Well, I am, yes. Ow. Oh, you bastards! Take this. So we're up against orcs. Mental has space orcs on his command beck and call.
So then it should practically just be a K instead of a C at that point, I suppose. Let me see.
Fortunately, you're impaired to be incapable of taking damage so far. Unless that's just your armor here. Nope, you're incapable of taking damage until you're in the game. But I'm not.
Okay, but you can survive, and I am going to try and analyze their battle gear with my sense, I suppose. And what I can see from here, yep, they have pretty big guns, they have what I think to be quite heavy armor, and if I'm not mistaken, their jetpacks usually seem like the type that can bring them flying a great distance, but they need to activate the rotors to stay in midair while having the jetpack inactive, otherwise we'll just be flying around like maniacs. That is only what I get from a tactical analyze.
Okay. Meanwhile, orcs are trying to kill me.
Nothing else. If this should be up in your level, you will be facing freaking demigods and demon overlords.
I actually think the enemies are still tougher, even though you haven't loaded yet. Ah, we appear to be standing still for now. Why is that?
So, that is somewhat ill-boding, if I must be honest.
We're getting some supplies dropped in, so that's nice. Oh, what now? Oh, attack helicopters, but of course. And more fly orcs. There are no storm boys, that's for certain, but...
You can be quite right about that. Storm boys have more, to be quite honest, more balls than to try and do that.
But they're still annoying. Oh, there's one of those tank guys up there. Let's fix that.
Our advantage against these orcs are that they are just stupid. If these had been anything like the Warhammer orcs, they would also be insane. And you never stand in the way of an insane orc, let me tell you.
Alright. How far are you from getting in here to help me?
Well over halfway.
Good! Oh, what now? Oh, great. Ow. Damn it, I'm out of plasma armor. Oh, great, now they're sending witches in.
You can deal with witches, Cobra.
Oh, get your ass out of my face! Jeez! Inconsiderate bimbo! Stop hurling magic junk at me! Get out my platform, you green-skinned bastard! Out of my face! Oh, there's you up there, I forgot to kill you. Well, let's fix that now. Ow! You bastard, you big honking red devil bastard! Stop holding missiles at me! Let's see how you like missiles! Eat this!
You know what? I actually sit here and ponder.
Ah ha ha ha! You bastards! Well, I got more plasma ammo now, so suck on this!
You know, I actually sit here and ponder what would happen if you penetrate the glass of the helmet if they would just, you know, choke on their own basic entrails if they could not handle the atmosphere.
That's a very good question. I don't know the answer. But how far are you?
I'm not seeing any kind of oxygen equipment on their battle gear, so yeah, maybe it's just to look smart and handsome.
Maybe it's to protect from when they're flying against the air, you know, to not get insects into the eyes and stuff.
Ah, I see. No worries, Cobra, I'm on my way. Although I think you could actually carry this battle by yourself if you wanted.
Well, the platform is across the gap. How far are you from getting in?
I am, well, thumb's length of, finished, I suppose.
Well, then I won't even bother cutting. I'll just wait here and look at stuff. Seriously. So, people, that should give you an idea how long I wait each level for him to come in. You know. Just FYI. And I'm not blaming him. It's not his fault. It's not his fault. but just, you know, pointing it out.
By the way, I get this very nasty idea. What do you think would happen if that rod that drives the entire, you know, heli element of their jetpack, what would happen if that somehow malfunctioned and it basically fell off? Do you think you could...
Oh, I can push you along! I don't need to stand still, I can just push you along. Oh, you're in.
What?
Well, you stood over there and I pushed you up here.
Okay, let me just get my gear together. Or our gear together. And sorry for, you know, snapping at you before, but really, when I am about to say something awesome, it is as if you always discover something that is even more awesome.
That's either a blessing or a curse.
And also, I think I have to make an actual official apology. Because sometimes I honestly forget that this is your LP.
No, it's a co-op LP. But I don't intentionally interrupt you. Well, sometimes I do for fun, but not always.
So yeah, also, you were completely right before. The pot did call the kettle black. I'm just as arrogant as you. Only thing is, it takes me a bit of a time to admit it.
I don't know if I would call you arrogant. You don't have quite the right ego to be called arrogant. I mean, I can be arrogant, sure, but you... I was talking more about the whole talking too much thing, by the way.
Oh. Sorry, little guy. Well, they got the missile launchers out already. Wait, let me mount up on that thing, please. Let me deal with this. No offense, but I think...
And while you ran over here, our allies just got mauled. And you killed our ally right there.
Whoops. Well, I did kill an enemy.
Well, one enemy, one ally. It runs up in the end.
I did not even aim precisely at it, and I took its head off. Wait a
Okay,
moment,
the small brown...
crocodiles.
Would you just be a tad bit more careful? Almost hit the guy.
Well, I thought it was hostile.
The small brown ones...
I just mounted this highly destructible turret right now. And moving up to you.
Why do they even let you have vehicles? You always crash them or run them into people or something.
You are still running on that joke, seriously. If you ever saw my skills in a flight simulator, you would be talking different. Seriously, you do not want to fight me.
Hi!
Of course, I am a good pilot. Whoa! You stupid demon!
Did it say this was a secret area?
Yeah, and you took the money. Seriously, what are you, a mobster?
A mobster?
Mob, then.
No, I'm not a mobster. And that is a real word.
You always take the money. You always take the money.
I'm looking for the way ahead, to be honest. Oh wait, I found it! Whee!
Giant junkyard and spider? Spiders?
Okay, seriously, what the hell?
Yeah.
No.
I cannot really see anything. I only see a spider in my bio.
And this music? What the hell?
Are you engaged in combat?
No, I'm just... I have no... My words, they...
Are you facing a mindfuck moment?
Kinda. More like an Alice in Wonderland moment, to be honest.
Then please do not proceed until I have arrived.
Hey, I haven't moved out of the spot, but you'll see for yourself. We'll be right back, people. Seriously, this music. Weird. And Browner's with us now.
I am baffled.
I told you.
And as you said, the music. This is
It's weird.
No, not weird. It. Okay. This is. Welcome to the lower board, the greatest show on earth. La 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 la.
I think we're under attack.
stop to shoot! Give me stop to shoot! Anything to distract from this complete mindfuckness! We are in the middle of a giant fucking garden with a giant stool fighting demonic gorilla warriors and orcs with rocket launchers and space armor. And I just landed inside a giant log. And there's a freaking wrench!
And listen to the music! Listen to the battle music!
Seriously, there's a wrench here, sticking through an apple.
Seriously, this sounds like something you'd hear at a circus. Seriously, have you heard the battle music?
I am hearing it. It does not help it that I'm being assailed by witches.
Nothing helps when you're being assailed by witches. What's up with this music? It's weird.
I have no idea. Do it. Zoinks. Mindfuck Central. I get the feeling this is what children experience when you're subjected to some of the... Never mind. Witches, you bitches, get out of my face!
Where are you? Hello?
Because I swear to God I will put you in your place.
Oh, there you are! I've been looking for you! I couldn't find you! Why did you run off without me?
Well then, Lawrence, get over here, please.
I gotta check for secrets first.
No, you need to help me out. I'm being assailed. Your comrade is dying and costing your lives.
Why did you run ahead without me anyway? You're always complaining that I do that.
I was spawned here. Get moving. Help me.
Well, I'll help you from up here because there might be secrets still.
Screw the secrets. We are going to lose in this level because you are looking for secrets. I need help.
I just helped you already and now I died. So, mind telling me why you're in here again?
No, I do not want to tell you because I just told you 2 times before. I spawned in here.
Ah. Oh yeah, and by the way, giant upgraded tank demon thingy. Just FYI.
And I got killed by it. Great.
But I killed it.
Now you're going...
Where are you?
Game over. Please press escape, it says.
Game over? You lost all your lives?
Yes.
Oh,
I was
but...
being pounded in the ass with ammunition and witch spells. I'm going to press escape and hope that I can get back in the game.
You press escape, what does it say?
It says game over, please press escape.
Yeah, when you press escape, then what?
I have not pressed it yet, I just wanted to prepare you for when I did it.
Okay, giant spiders.
Continue playing. I want to continue playing, please. But then again, I cannot do anything. All I get when I press escape is continue playing, record demo, call a vote, profile settings, options, players, and...
Continue playing.
Sorry that I have to yell, because...
Well, it's okay, I can't really hear you right now that well. Giant spiders, you know. Lots of them. Ah, crud. So when you press continue playing, what does it say?
It just goes back to game over, please press escape.
Well, then wait for me to get enough points or something.
Yes, that was the plan. Sorry for nagging at you, but really, press fire to respawn. Thank you.
No problem.
Cobra, before we proceed, before you move as much as an inch, next time I call for your help, Screw the secrets and focus on helping me. I know you did help me, I respect that, but secrets are not as important.
I was running around trying to find you in the first place. I didn't even know you had died.
Trust me, at this level of mindfuckness, I'm going to die often.
Anyways, we
Trust me,
gotta...
this is affecting my brain.
Okay, and anyway, we gotta set fire to that.
Wait a second.
That's a giant bundle of dynamite, yes. Now, the way... I don't think that's... Trust me, that's not going to work. Well, you can try, but... Yeah, okay, try. Anyways, there's a way cut over here through the spiderweb after I defeated said spiders.